In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert an icon as an image into a Google Slides presentation. Whether you're a designer looking to add a visual touch or simply trying to enhance your presentation's readability, incorporating icons can be a fantastic way to achieve that polished look. Let's dive right in and learn how to easily add icons to your slides. First, open up your Google Slides presentation and navigate to the specific slide where you'd like to insert the icon. Once you're there, go to the upper menu bar and click on Insert. A drop-down menu will appear, and from that, you'll want to select Image. Now, you have two primary choices for bringing in your icon. If you already have an icon file downloaded to your computer, you can simply choose the Upload from Computer option. This will allow you to browse your files and select the icon you wish to insert. On the other hand, if you're still on the hunt for the perfect icon, you can use the Search the Web option directly within Google Slides. This feature will bring up a handy sidebar where you can type in what you're looking for and find an ideal icon right there without ever leaving your presentation. Once you've inserted your chosen icon, you have the ability to customize it to fit your slide perfectly. You can easily resize the icon by clicking and dragging the corners, allowing you to scale it up or down as necessary. Additionally, you can move it around the slide until it aligns in just the right spot with the rest of your content. For those of you who enjoy tweaking colors and want a cohesive color scheme, you may have the option to change the icon's color. If the icon you're using is a vector or single color format, there's a chance you can alter its color by using the Fill Color or Line Color tools available in your toolbar. Alternatively, you might choose to replace it with another version of the icon in your desired shade if you can't edit the color directly. For those who are seeking more variety and control over their icons, an advanced and cleaner method is to use an icon add-on. Start by going to the Extensions menu, then hover over Add-ons and click Get Add-ons. In the search bar, look for popular icon add-ons, such as Icons for Slides and Docs by Flaticon or The Noun Project. After you find an add-on that suits your needs, go ahead and install it. Once installed, you can access it from the Extensions menu. These add-ons allow you to search for icons and insert them directly into your slide. Plus, they often offer additional customization options, such as choosing the color, size, and style of your icons right from a convenient sidebar. And there you have it, a simple guide to inserting icons into your Google Slides presentation. Take your time experimenting with these different methods to see which one best fits your project. Happy presenting!